The Clarke MGH3 is an easy-to-use, compact 4.2 kilowatt mobile blue flame gas heater. Constructed with a tough metal casing, the MGH3 benefits from a foldable, space-saving design for easy storage. Utilizing an efficient blue flame technology, this heater is inexpensive to run on a pay-as-you-go basis. It simply requires a 15-kilo butane gas bottle and is great for providing instant warmth in the home, office or workshop. Very easy to assemble, you can be heating in just a few minutes. The MGH3 is supplied with castors for easy maneuverability and includes a gas hose and a regulator with a quick connector for the gas bottle. Safety features include a flame failure device, an anti-tilt switch and an oxygen depletion sensor. With 3 heat output settings from 1.5 kilowatt up to 4.2 kilowatt, the Clarke MGH3 will give you many years of cozy warmth.